We've just released our new Summer Santa hanger, featuring Santa on a relaxing tropical getaway. If you've already seen our popular Father Christmas hanger, you'll notice the similarities. The best part is you can use the same tutorial video we already have for the Father Christmas hanger to assemble your Summer Santa hanger. While the stitch out of the panels is different, the steps for putting the blocks together are exactly the same, including the two different types of leg panels you can add to the hanger. To make things easy, I'm going to play the Father Christmas hanger tutorial for you right now, so you have everything you need to assemble your Summer Santa hanger. Enjoy, and I'll catch you next time.
Now, using your regular sewing machine to join all the panels. Lay out your hanger in order with the long side of the panels together. Place the first two panels right sides together and pin and sew a half-inch seam, sewing just inside the border lines already on the panels. Now iron. Continue joining the other panels in the same fashion. And open the seams and iron them flat. To make the loops, take out both fabric and pieces for the loops. Fold the fabric in half lengthways and right sides together. Using your sewing machine, stitch with a half-inch seam along the raw edges. To pull the fabric right side out, we like to pin a safety pin at one end and then thread through the fabric and pull until it's right sides out. Now press with the iron. Top stitch the edges together. Repeat for the other side to make it look even. Make sure the bobbin is the same color as your top thread. Now make sure the loops are even and trim them to the desired length. Fold in half and pin. Pin them both to your hanger. We like to place them about 1 inch from the side seam stitching and stay stitched in place. Cut the backing. If you use the freestanding boots on your Santa, please pin these towards the center of the bottom block so that they are connected away from the seams. Now place fabric O backing on your table, right sides facing up. Place your sewn hanger on top of fabric O right sides together and pin in place. Leaving an opening of about 5 inches, 13 centimeters for turning. Now stitch a 1/2 inch seam, sewing just inside the border lines already on the panels, remembering to leave the opening. Trim the seams to a 1/4 inch, leaving about 1/2 inch at the opening. Clip the corners for more pointed ones when turned. Now turn the right way out through the opening. Use that picking thing or chopstick to help push out the corners. Now press with the iron and hand stitch or use fabric glue the opening closed. Stitch in the ditch of the seams to attach the backing. Make sure your bobbin matches your backing fabric. Your wall hanger is now complete. Thanks for joining us on this fun Christmas sew-along. I hope you get to enjoy the amazing wall hanger all holiday long. For more amazing Christmas designs like this one, check out swepea.com. That is swpea.com. That's all from me. Until next time.